Your skin is the largest organ you have, and lately, companies are treating it like a fast-track delivery system for your health goals. You've probably seen those colorful little stickers popping up all over your social media feeds. They promise to kickstart your metabolism and help with weight management while you sleep. It is a tempting pitch for anyone tired of swallowing giant vitamins or mixing chalky powders. Specifically, these new botanical patches are making waves for their plant-based approach. The marketing is very polished. They highlight North American manufacturing and a staggering 6-month money-back guarantee. On paper, that looks like a company that really stands behind its claims. But let us take a breath and look at the reality of the situation. The gap between a clever marketing campaign and hard scientific evidence is often a mile wide. Just because an ingredient has been studied in a lab does not mean it works effectively through a patch on your skin. Transdermal delivery is complicated. It is not as simple as sticking it on and watching the pounds disappear. We simply do not have enough independent research to prove these over-the-counter patches do what they say. You have to be your own detective here. Do not stop at the glowing reviews on the official shop page. Those are there to sell you a dream. Go find the forums and the unfiltered comments from people who actually use them. Check for mentions of skin irritation or issues with customer service. Sometimes that ironclad guarantee is buried under a mountain of fine print. If you have a medical condition or you are currently taking prescription drugs, you must talk to a doctor first. Natural does not always mean safe for every single person. It is better to be cautious than to deal with a bad reaction. So, is this a scam? It does not look like one in the traditional sense. The company appears to be shipping real products and following standard business practices. The real question is whether the product actually provides value for the price. If you decide to give it a shot, protect yourself. Use a payment method that offers strong buyer protection like a credit card. Never use a debit card for these kinds of online purchases. Manage your expectations and remember that there are no shortcuts to long-term wellness. A patch might be a small tool in your kit, but it is never a total solution. Stay skeptical and keep asking questions before you buy into the latest health trend. Your wallet and your body will thank you for it. Think about how many times a miracle product has actually changed your life. Usually the results come from the boring stuff like sleep and movement. These patches are marketed as a shortcut, but the science is still catching up to the hype. If you are pregnant or nursing, please do not even consider these without a professional opinion. Safety should always come before a trend. The ingredients list might be plant-based, but plants can be powerful and sometimes unpredictable. Take your time, do the digging, and make a choice based on facts, rather than a 30-second video clip. Being an informed consumer means looking past the high-definition lifestyle photos. It means recognizing that your metabolism is a complex biological system that does not just flip a switch because of a sticker. If you feel like testing it out, go in with your eyes wide open. Do not let the promise of an easy fix blind you to the work that health actually requires. Every dollar you spend is a vote for what kind of products you want to see in the world. Spend your votes wisely